Alright, so you're asking me who I am, and that's what I will try to answer in this video. So, I am a boy who's 14 years old and likes to program, especially web development. My favorite programming language right now is JavaScript, and on this YouTube channel I will post about anything related to programming in general, and I also have other social media like Instagram, where I will post pictures and other stuff also related to programming, hopefully. And I also have an email newsletter that's called Programming Friday, and there I will post tips and tricks about programming in general that I know about. I will try to post there every Friday, and I also want to thank you all for subscribing and liking and watching this video. So thank you. Bye.